So we're upstairs at the shoe healer. I've just come up here where it's a little bit quieter so I can just answer a question from Checkbound about shoe trees. And what do I know about shoe trees and what sort of shoe trees and shoe shapes of shoe trees you should be putting in your shoes? Well, the ones that we have are these Diplomat shoe trees. They're made of cedar wood. They smell very nice. Apparently cedar wood is very good for your shoe trees. Cedar wood and lime wood are the best ones, double sprung. I always like to bring the shoes upstairs and get the best fit. So they're really nice and snug. So they're pulling your shoe back tight and back into shape. Now the first thing about a shoe tree is do not waste your money if you're not going to bother putting them in. If it's a shoe that you wear on a regular basis and your shoes are there by the back door, you're not going to bother putting shoe trees in every time. But if it's your best shoes and you want to put the shoe trees back in them, clean them with the shoe trees in, because it's pulled all the shoe back into shape and it gets all the polish into the nooks and crannies. Then by all means get yourself a shoe tree and get it a nice snug fit. These are the ones we have. These are other ones. We have them in the shop all the time to put on the repairs when shoes coming for repaired. This is the Trickers. Oh, this is a shoe shaper. Doesn't do anything for your shoe, just it keeps it in shape and makes it look pretty. These are the proper shoe Tricker shoe trees. I think their new ones are now made of lime wood. This is a lovely one of my own. We don't sell these, but you can get these online, and they've got like a cam system in them, so you adjust them out, get a nice tight fit, and then press that down and it pushes the shoe really nicely back into shape. You can also get lasted shoe trees. When you're going really to the top end of the shoes, they will make you a shoe tree to fit your shoe that's made to match the last that the shoe was made on. Very posh, very good if you can get hold of those. But generally, shoe trees, as long as you're going to be bothered to use them, a really nice snug fit, cedar wood, and just put those in straight away when you take the shoes off, and they help to eliminate all the odours and help the shoe to dry out with that shoe tree, and it draws in the moisture out of the shoe and keeps your shoe nice. So these are shoe trees, not to be mistaken with shoe shapers, which are like a little bit of a toe cap and a bent piece of metal with a knobble on the end. A shoe shaper, I'm not a big fan of them. Shoe trees are the way.